Hi guys, how are you all doing? So in this video we are going to understand or going to analyze the poem by William Butler Yeats, popularly known as W.B. Yeats. His poem Leda and the Swan. So let's start. A little bit about the poem. This poem is based on the classic Greek myth about a human woman, Leda, who is impregnated by god Zeus, disguised in the form of a swan, which results in the birth of Helen of Troy, whose beauty later led to the Trojan War. A sudden blow. The great wings beating still above the staggering girl, her thighs caressed by the dark waves, her nape caught in his bill. He holds her helpless breast upon his breast. So as you can see on the thumbnail, how Leda was attacked by Lord Zeus. A sudden clamorous sound of wings attacks Leda. She almost falls as the god Zeus holds her thighs. Back of her neck is trapped by his body. He holds her body tightly against his. How can those terrified vague fingers push the feathered glory from her loosening thighs? And how can body, laid in that white rush, but feel the strange heart beating where it lies? Those fingers touch her body vaguely. How could she escape from being raped? The feathers of wings hovering over her. Her body cannot move, but could feel the strange heartbeat of the attacker. A shudder in the loins engenders there the broken wall, the burning roof and tower, and Agamemnon dead. Now the god Zeus ejaculates into her womb, and she conceives the beautiful child Helen, because of whom there would be a great destruction like the breaking of walls, burning of roof and tower. Everything would be destroyed, and the Greek king Agamemnon too. Being so caught up, so mastered by the brute blood of the air, did she put on his knowledge with his power before the indifferent beak could let her drop? Leda, being caught up forcefully by her godly assaulter, questioned by the poet that she also garbed the knowledge along with his physical strength, power during this sexual act before his beak loosened her nape.